Let's get straight to it. 2000 Lincoln Town Car. This is the 4.6 liter engine. So today we are changing our canister vent valve solenoid. This goes in the back under the fuel tank. So I have the vehicle in the air and I have my jack stand in place, and I'm using the part of the frame right there. So once you're underneath, we need to remove this cover here, and it's real easy. So there's a 10mm bolt or nut right here, and there's normally one right here, but it's already missing. Once you remove those, you can undo this harness and you can pull this straight forward. So let's go ahead and just get this harness removed here. Like that. Let's get this other 10mm down. Like I said, for some reason one of them is already down, it's rusted there. Let's get this other one over here down. So you can see we have it down here. There's no need to remove the two bolts on the back because we're not changing this whole thing. The only thing we're changing is this part right here. So if you can see, this thing is attached from here going in. You can see it's attached going in there, right there. And then it's also attached on the back here. And then of course there's a harness here. The easiest thing to do from here is to just pull this straight out. You can see, so I was able to pull that straight out of there. It just snaps in real easy. Now you can see there's holes over here on this side. I'm gonna need two hands for this. I'm gonna hold this side with one hand. I'm gonna twist this hose to loosen it, and I'm gonna pull it off. So just like that, I have that hose off now. It's really, really simple, guys. And now I can see the harness is real simple to remove as well. You push this tab down in and you can pull this harness off. Let's get that removed. All right, so very simple. This is the old part and this is the new part. Everything matches up. So we're gonna go in reverse. I'm gonna plug the harness in first, since that's what I did last coming out. Look at that, one hand. So I got the harness plugged in with one hand, and while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you how easy this is. I'm gonna do this with one hand as well. Just put this piece on with one hand. Look how easy this is. Look at that. So I got this on with one hand, and now you just gotta get this back in there. I'm gonna do that with one hand as well. Just line it up with that hole there. So you see where the hole is there. So you line it up. So like I said, I'm gonna, as promised, I'm gonna do it with one hand. So you line it up with that hole. You see that? Just push that in until it clicks in. All right, guys, so it was just as simple as that. We got all three of the connections in. We got this connection here, that connection over there, and our harness connection on. Now we can go ahead and put this back up like that and get our 10mm back on here. All right, so once I got this bolt up here and everything is back, plug our harness in, and that's it. Our part is changed.